Hi, here's a quick tutorial on how to plan a lesson with Radius. Go into home screen and click Create New Lesson. Then choose the relevant subject for you, the grade that you're teaching, any teaching methodology that you want to use, let's say 5E, and the relevant standards for you. We align with all state standards. If you want to base your lesson on a specific workbook, file, or existing prescribed lesson, you can click Base the Lesson On, and you'd be able to upload any document, PDF or Word to the system, and it will take it into consideration when generating the lesson. If not, simply hop into the instruction box where you can provide learning objectives, more details about your classroom and your students, or simply write the topic you want the lesson to be based on. Radius is a no prompt solution, so no need for elaborate prompts. You can really just provide us with the topic and any additional information you want us to consider when generating a lesson. Then choose social emotional learning skills that you want the lesson to focus on, let's say growth mindset, and click. That's it. Very easy. Radius is now doing the work for you, generating a standard aligned lesson with ready-to-use resources that can easily be differentiated. The lesson can be downloaded, and now you get a full fleshed out lesson with overview, objectives, the relevant standards, skills, materials, a PowerPoint. All the resources that are listed here exist within the lesson and are integrated into the lesson plan. You can regenerate the lesson here, and you can download. That's it. Simple and easy. Enjoy.